Hello lovely people, welcome back. Today we are going to be making shawarma. Okay, we start by wash the chicken, and then I'm going to blend all this. So I've got onions, bell pepper, scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, and the turmeric. Okay, I'm going to blend that and then add them in. Okay, all blended. I think I'm going to change my YouTube channel name to Spice Girl. Okay. Stock cube, smoked paprika, some curry powder, mixed herbs. So I'm going to add rosemary. How do you eat food that is not well seasoned? Tell me, okay? Because I cannot understand. This is cayenne pepper. Well, at least that's interaction. I don't mind it. And a bit of nutmeg. Try using more spices in your food. Okay, it's parsley, a bit of salt, and some chicken stock. I'm going to fry the chicken after. Not done. I'm going to add this. My mixed spices. Well, not a lot of it. Like I say, Spice Girl, okay? As that is getting ready, I'm gonna start preparing my vegetables. So I've got carrots, bell peppers, and iceberg lettuce, okay? Yeah, oh, and cucumber. In this bowl I have carrots and the mixed bell peppers. This one I have my cucumber and lettuce. I'm not going to be frying them, so I'll put them aside. And in this one I'll also add sweet corn. I've already drained out the water, so I'll fry that. Okay, the chicken is ready. Okay, as that is frying, I'm going to put some in the pot. Just let it boil. What do you call them? You call them frankfurters or sausage. You don't fry in the chicken and waiting for it to cool down a little bit. Then in this pan, just a bit of olive oil. Okay, add spring onion. And then all my vegetables, sweet corn, bell peppers, and carrots. Then fry that a bit. I'm not going to be adding anything to it. Once that boil, that's okay. And that's ready too. I'm not frying it for long, which I just don't like bell pepper raw. You can actually eat them without frying them. Okay, in 2 bowls, I'm making use of 2 bowls because I'm going to mix one of the sauce for just me and my husband and one for the kids. Okay. 1 avocado, some yogurt. Okay, always mash your avocado first before you put the yogurt. Then add the yogurt now. So good. And then chili sauce, just a little bit. That's it for us and for the kids. Same sweet chili sauce. Okay, I added ketchup, mayonnaise, and the sweet chili for the kids. Okay, that's it all done. Okay, I'm shredding the chicken right off. Okay, I'm using this sriracha. You can use a different one, you can use whatever you like. I'm never getting the wrapping properly. That used to. I actually forgot to put hot dog in the other one, so I'm actually going to unwrap it and put the hot dog in it, because you don't see that hot dog, that'll be problem. Yeah, this pan is actually hot. It's still, the fire is still on. See, it's still in its well. I just forgot the hot dog. Okay, now we move current one. That's what I'm going to do. This is one I wrap very well. Sorry. Okay, I'll see you in my next video.